using the jump strategy to solve subtraction with 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. You can use the jump strategy on a number line to solve subtraction. In example 1, we are solving 67 minus 32. The first thing you do is you find out what your bigger number is. That's 67, so 67 we put on the far right of our number line, because when we jump back now, because we're subtracting, we're moving this way on the number line. So, how many jumps back do we have? We have 3 tens jumps and 2 ones jumps, because there's a 3 in the tens column and a 2 in the ones column. So we're jumping 3 back, which is 30, and 2 ones back, because there are 2 in the ones column. So we start at 67, 57, 47, 37, and then we're jumping back 2 ones, 36, 35. So 67 minus 32 equals 35. Now let's look at example 2. Solve 658 minus 241. This example is showing 2 3-digit numbers. Here we are taking away 241 from 658. We write our bigger number on the number line to the far right. Then we have to work out how many hundreds jumps there are. There are 2. How many tens jumps there are, because there's 4. There's 4 tens jumps. And how many is in the ones column? There is 1. So it's 1 ones jump. So we jump 2 hundreds back, we jump 4 tens back, and we jump 1 1 back. So let's work that out. 658, 558, 458, 448 into our tens now, 438, 428, 418, and then our 1 is 417. Now let's look and solve 739 minus 14 together. So we start with 739 and we write that on our number line to the far right. Then we are going to jump 1 tens back and 4 ones back. And that's been written there for you. So let's work that out now. Here we're going to write 739 minus 10 is 729. Minus 1 is 728. Minus 1 is 727. Minus 1 is 726. Minus 1 is 725. So 739 minus 14 is 725. Now it's time for you to complete the Your Turn section by solve using the jump strategy and the number line. Once you have done this, mark your work and tick how you feel in the self-check box before completing the practice questions on the following page. Afterwards, mark your work to see how you went.